The Enchanted Forest and the Silver Amulet. Once upon a time, in a picturesque village surrounded by ancient forests and crystal-clear streams, there lived a young boy named Felix. Felix was known for his adventurous spirit and his deep love for nature. He spent his days exploring the forests, listening to the songs of birds, and discovering the secrets of the wild. One sunny afternoon, while wandering through the deepest part of the forest, Felix stumbled upon an old, overgrown path. Curious, he followed the path until he reached a hidden clearing. In the center of the clearing stood a majestic oak tree with a small, silver amulet hanging from one of its branches. As Felix reached out to touch the amulet, it began to glow softly, and a gentle voice filled the air. "Greetings, Felix," the voice said. "I am Sylvana, the guardian of the Enchanted Forest. This silver amulet holds the power to protect and nurture the forest, but its magic has faded. Will you help restore its power?" Filled with excitement and determination, Felix nodded eagerly. "Yes, Sylvana. What must I do?" Sylvana appeared as a radiant figure with hair that flowed like a river and eyes that sparkled like dew on a spring morning. To restore the amulet's magic, you must find 3 enchanted items: the crystal of clarity, the leaf of life, and the blossom of hope. Each item will help renew the amulet's power. With a nod of understanding, Felix set off on his quest. His first destination was the Crystal Cavern, a hidden cave filled with sparkling crystals that reflected the light like 1,000 stars. Deep within the cavern, he found the crystal of clarity, a brilliant gem that shone with pure light. He carefully placed it in his bag and continued his journey. Next, Felix ventured to the Heartwood Grove, a serene area where the trees were ancient and wise. In the heart of the grove, he discovered the leaf of life, a vibrant green leaf that pulsed with energy. He picked the leaf and added it to his bag, then made his way to his final destination. For his last task, Felix traveled to the Meadow of Blossoms, a magical place filled with flowers of every color. In the center of the meadow, he found the blossom of hope, a beautiful flower that glowed with a soft, warm light. He gently picked the flower and returned to the hidden clearing. Upon his return, Sylvana greeted him with a look of pride. "You have done well, Felix. Place the enchanted items around the amulet, and its magic will be restored." Felix carefully arranged the crystal of clarity, the leaf of life, and the blossom of hope around the silver amulet. As he did, the amulet began to glow brightly, and the clearing was filled with a warm, radiant light. The air hummed with energy, and the magic of the amulet was restored. "Thank you, Felix," Sylvana said, her voice filled with gratitude. "You have restored the magic of the Enchanted Forest. The amulet's power will now protect and nurture the forest for generations to come." Felix felt a warm glow of pride and happiness. Sylvana gifted him a small, silver pendant shaped like an oak leaf as a token of gratitude and a reminder of his adventure. When Felix returned to his village, he was celebrated for his bravery and kindness. He often visited the Enchanted Forest, where he was always welcomed by Sylvana and the magical creatures. His story was told for generations, inspiring others to believe in the power of nature and the magic of a pure heart. And so, the Enchanted Forest and the Silver Amulet became a beloved legend, a testament to the courage and determination of a young boy who restored the magic of the forest. The end.